mo?
Jenny po.
Jenny. Maganda ka. Ano ka? Anong sport ito? Taekwondo?
Karate judo po.
Karate judo?
Ilan taon ka na?
I'm 14 years old po.
Bagets. It's just a very pretty face. Saan ka galing?
Sa Davao City po.
Okay.
Ilan taon ka nung nag-start ka ng
I started karate when I was 10 and a half years old.
Can we see your talent?
Okay po.
Go, Jenny.
Teka muna,
Ay.
bakit napili mo ang sport nito?
For my self-defense po, kasi ganito po yung starting na yung sister ko may stalker, then
Oh!
then ako napa-enroll yung sister ko, so ako willing din ako magpa-enroll ng karate, so yun.
So you believe that this sport would help you defend yourself?
Yes.
Okay, show us your talent.
A ver, I need to see this. Jenny performs.
With no proof anyone could hear in our hearts a hopeful song we barely understood. And though we are not afraid, although we know there's much to hear, we were moving mountains long before we knew it could.
Your form is very nice, it's very graceful, and your martial arts are really
Very telegenic.
Thank you po.
Di ba, boss?
Galing mo.
Telegenic siya.
also intelligent.
Thank you po.
And maganda nga yung galaw niya. Parang ballet na halos eh.
Right, yeah.
Ang bubbly. Hindi baba, bubbly. You get a yes?
Thank you po.
Yes!
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you po sa inyo.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. I am now with Karate Master. What's your name?
Jenny.
Jenny, what happened to your performance?
My performance is okay.
What did the judges say?